Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad 9, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your screen, and once that is the case, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. So there we go. So it shows up with this little pop-up right here with share and scroll, I think was the options, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it does so, you can find your captured screenshot in your gallery application. I will just navigate back to here. So normally you would be located in the Photos tab, and in here you'll probably, if you just captured your screenshot, see it right as the newest thing, which is for me, as you can see. But later on, if you want to come back to your screenshots, maybe weeks, months down the line, you can navigate into albums, and in here we should have a, there we go, screenshot album, and in this album you will find screenshots and screen recordings as well. And here is the screenshot that I have captured a moment ago. One more thing, when it comes down to screenshots, is you can actually capture a screenshot if you want to copy some text, because this device does support the kind of like detecting text from images. So if I tap on it, you can see it even highlights this as an option, letting me know that I can select text from here and copy it. This is an image, but you can still just select, copy, and then paste the text anywhere else. Very useful when someone just kind of like, you know, shows you their bank account. You can capture a photo, for instance, as well. It doesn't need to be a screenshot, but for instance, photo, and you can detect text, copy the bank account number from there, and just paste it wherever you want, so you don't need to type it in yourself. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.